Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft New Zealand. First, begin by creating a new world in either Java or Bedrock Edition. You'll want to choose a world generation seed that offers a good mix of biomes, from mountains to coastal areas, to truly capture the essence of New Zealand's diverse landscapes. Additionally, think about using a resource pack to enhance the visual experience and make your world feel even more unique. When generating your world, prioritize seeds known for their dramatic terrain. Search for towering mountains, deep valleys, and expansive, lush forests, reminiscent of New Zealand's South Island. Spend time exploring the coastal areas to find interesting island formations and beautiful beaches. Don't forget to delve into the underground, discovering caves and ravines, which are perfect for gathering essential resources like iron and diamonds. Now for the building phase. Embrace the New Zealand aesthetic by constructing homes that blend with the natural environment. Consider building hobbit hole-style dwellings nestled into hillsides, or modern houses with expansive windows to capture scenic views. Remember to establish farms and pastures, perhaps focusing on sheep, to reflect New Zealand's agricultural heritage. Use natural materials like wood and stone to maintain an authentic feel. To truly immerse yourself, engage in activities that mirror life in New Zealand. Embark on long exploration hikes, traversing your world's diverse biomes, from snowy peaks to sunny beaches. Try your hand at fishing in the clear rivers and along the extensive coastline. Dedicate time to farming and animal husbandry, raising sheep and other livestock. These activities will deepen your connection to your Minecraft New Zealand experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.